Go. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010, 1,007, ay, 11, 1,012, 1,013, 1,015,
Tama.
1,016, 1,017, 1,018, 1,020, 1,021, 1,022,
Strong leg.
1,023,
One. Up.
1,024,
Paa.
1,025,
One. Sabay paa.
1,027,
Sabay ang paa.
1,028, 1,030, 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. The baby has now positive pulse and positive breathing. Put the baby in recovery position. No pain, no blood, no deformity, no tenderness, no swelling, no pain, no blood, no deformity, no open wounds, no tenderness, no swelling. Give the baby back massage for blood circulation. The baby is now revived. Put back the baby in supine position.
One.
Ma'am, tapos na.